Hey everybody, here we have this HP 500B MT desktop in for service. This is a friend of mine's machine. I'm probably going to be replacing it with something newer. I got this for her years ago. It was a machine that I bought as a part system from the Goodwill Computer Works store back in the day. Paid $15 for it. It had no memory in it, didn't have a hard drive in it. Slapped some RAM and a hard drive in it, and it made it into a somewhat decent machine, but her needs outgrew this machine, and I think I'm going to be getting something a little bit nicer. This thing was sitting in her basement for a little while, and she's had some moisture issues in the basement, so I'm a little concerned about how things are going to look in here. At the minute, we're going to clean out the inside of this thing. This machine might be getting parted out. I don't know for sure. It's got a socket 775 Intel Pentium CPU. That memory there looks like it might be former Mentor Deluxe memory. Been so long since I've worked on this thing. I made a video up on the channel of it. I don't know for sure. But again, as mentioned, LGA 775 Pentium CPU. I do think it's LGA 775. DDR3 memory. It's got a 500 gigabyte Seagate hard drive in there, which I'm going to recover the data from. DVD drive. I mean, this thing doesn't have a whole lot to really brag about. Now, of course, I've put this Wi-Fi card in there for her. But anyways, we're going to clean this thing out because no matter what happens to it, I can't stand working on filthy computers. Now the inside, aside from the dust, doesn't look that bad actually. And of course on the outside, the metal, especially like aluminum, will tend to oxidize a little bit on the surface. But the inside, this thing looks fine. Just needs a clean out. So let's go ahead and clean this thing out. Okay, definitely looks a lot better than it did. Yeah, as I mentioned, the exterior on the back had a little bit of oxidation on the metal, but inside everything looks fine. So, still on the fence what I'm going to do with it. I could refurbish it as is, turn around and resell it, or I might scrap it for parts. I don't know. I could reuse a case on this for a sleeper build. I mean, it is standard ATX inside there. All the connections are standardized. There ain't no proprietary junk in there. But anyways, let's go ahead and blow out this power supply real quick just to wrap this up. Wasn't really that dirty, but anyways. So that wraps up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.